Honey. Right here.
Okay.
Why?
Protect and defend.
We'll do the power and control.
Who else is building?
Building, right here.
Be careful. But I'm glad you found this. Take a look around. I know it's dark and kind of creepy, but this is our history. This is our everything. Please let me introduce. This is Megan, this is Kent, and I'm Olivia. And we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As gatherers, we have traveled to far reaches of the galaxy, to abandoned outposts, to fallen starships, even ancient temples, both Jedi and Sith, searching for unusual pieces and ancient relics to bring back here to the workshop. We are here to keep the knowledge alive. It's our way of preserving our past in order to protect our future. But unfortunately, builders, we're in terrible times. In the past, a hero stood forth. You've heard the stories of Luke Skywalker, right?
Yes.
Now, there is a new Jedi. She goes by the name of Rey. She is our new spark of hope. And like her, you all have answered that call to help restore balance to the galaxy. Believe you're here for another reason, to build this, the lightsaber. It is elegant, unique, enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. This has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey where the builder and saber are bonded. But it all begins with this. The kyber crystal. It is the heart of the lightsaber. It magnifies the force, and the color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. And through our travels, we have collected 4 for you to choose from today. And we're going to begin with blue. This has been wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green. This has been wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. Rare and beautiful. This has been wielded by Master Mace Windu. Red. The Kyber Crystal of Power. This has been wielded by Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about that, builders. I need for everyone to please close your eyes.
Good job.
Come on, you're about to build a lightsaber. Are you ready to build?
Yeah!
Builders, you're going to start with your shaft. You hold it like this with these windows here at the top. If you feel the top of this chamber by pushing upwards, there's some spring to it. So you will take your kyber crystal, the narrow end of the crystal, push up against that top with it, and then slide the bottom of the crystal into place. The window should then light up. Alright, so now what I want you to do is locate on your chassis there is a red indent and a blue indent. We're going to use that next. So in section 5 of your box, there's 2 sets of activation points. You're going to pick one matching set to use. When you flip those pieces over, one of those pieces is going to have a blue tab in the corner and one is going to have a red tab. Guess what? You're going to match it up, red into red and blue into blue on your chassis. Alright, so now you're going to move on to your grips. In sections 1 and 2, you have 4 grips. You will pick 2 of them. One is going to slide over the top just like this. Make sure the wider band of that grip goes on first towards the center. You will then twist to tighten, flip it over, same thing. Wide band towards the center, twist to tighten. You probably have to push and twist, like get some pressure on it. You push, twist, and then you choose an emitter And then you can choose one for the top and one for the bottom. Are you happy? Alright, we're gonna do the one.
Once you're satisfied with your blades, go ahead and Is there activation set? This is to activate, this is to deactivate. Are you satisfied with your build today? Yes.
Oh, you just oh, okay. Yes, thank you for checking it. That's okay, now just take it.
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
Thank you.
I need for everyone to please take a step back. Now, the gatherers are going around to stabilize the kyber crystal. Now, this is something that must be done with a practiced hand because we don't want any more explosions today. But we're good. We got a good crew in here. All right, I'm going to stabilize these kyber crystals and then we're going to wait.
Well done. Chosen according to skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are, much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, the Force must be strong in here today. It is time to forge that bond between Builder and Saber. Now, on my mark, I would like for everyone to please take a step forward. Place their hand on the hilt. Not yet, not yet, not yet. And together, we will activate. All right, Builders, take a step forward. Place your hand on the hilt and activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, just like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes one spark. Raise them high and proud. Please deactivate your lightsabers. The bonding is complete.
Complete your lightsabers. Light your path, it can. Choose your path. Only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To help protect your new lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Our time together has come to an end, but your journey has just begun. It is time for you to go out into the galaxy and make your mark. And who knows, maybe one day